Greetings, discerning tech enthusiasts. Today, we're privileged to bring you a comprehensive first look at a device that's already generating considerable buzz. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, in its sophisticated titanium black finish. This iteration, boasting 256 gigabytes of storage, promises a significant leap forward in smartphone technology, particularly in the realm of artificial intelligence. We'll be meticulously examining its features, performance, and ultimately, its value proposition. Let's delve in. Welcome back to AI Tech Bundle. The packaging maintains Samsung's commitment to sustainability, employing recycled materials. Inside, alongside the S25 Ultra in the striking titanium black hue, we find the standard inclusions: a USB-C charging cable, documentation, and unfortunately, no included charging brick. This has become increasingly commonplace, and potential buyers should factor this into their overall cost. Holding the S25 Ultra, the immediate impression is one of premium craftsmanship. The titanium black finish offers a sophisticated, understated aesthetic, a welcome departure from more flamboyant designs. The build quality is exceptional, featuring a robust chassis and a seamless integration of glass and metal. The familiar camera island design is refined, with the lenses sitting flush against the surface for a more streamlined appearance. We appreciate the attention to detail here, further solidifying Samsung's position at the forefront of smartphone design. The device feels substantial and well-balanced in the hand, suggesting durability and a commitment to a premium user experience. The centerpiece of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is undeniably its integrated AI capabilities. Samsung is touting a significantly enhanced AI processor, promising to revolutionize tasks ranging from photography to productivity. We've spent some time exploring these features, and the results are impressive. We observed noticeable improvements in image processing, with AI-powered scene detection and object recognition resulting in remarkably crisp and vibrant photos. Furthermore, the AI assistant is more intuitive and responsive, anticipating user needs and streamlining common tasks. We are particularly intrigued by the advanced AI-powered translation feature, offering real-time translation across multiple languages with surprising accuracy. In terms of raw performance, the S25 Ultra handles demanding applications and multitasking with ease, thanks to its cutting-edge processor and ample RAM. We'll be conducting more in-depth performance benchmarks in a later video, but initial impressions suggest a significant performance leap over its predecessor. Moving on to the camera system, the S25 Ultra boasts a versatile array of lenses, designed to cater to a wide range of photographic needs. We've captured a variety of shots under different lighting conditions, and the results are consistently impressive. Color accuracy is exceptional, and the level of detail captured is remarkable even in low-light environments. The enhanced optical zoom capabilities allow for stunning telephoto shots without significant loss of detail. The video recording capabilities are equally impressive, with exceptional stabilization and high-resolution recording options. We'll be putting the camera through its paces in a dedicated camera review video, but based on our initial testing, the S25 Ultra is poised to be a top contender in the smartphone photography arena. Battery life is a crucial consideration for any smartphone user. The S25 Ultra is equipped with a large capacity battery, designed to provide all-day power. In our testing, we found that the device comfortably lasted through a full day of moderate to heavy usage, including web browsing, video streaming, and gaming. We'll be conducting more rigorous battery drain tests in the coming weeks, but initial findings suggest that the S25 Ultra offers competitive battery life in its class. It's important to note that this device comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty in the US, providing peace of mind for potential buyers. This warranty covers defects in materials and workmanship, offering protection against unexpected issues. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra in titanium black appears to be a significant upgrade, offering a blend of refined design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge AI capabilities. The enhanced camera system, coupled with its impressive battery life, positions it as a strong contender in the high-end smartphone market. While the lack of an included charging brick is a minor inconvenience, the overall package is undeniably compelling. Thank you for joining us for this first look review. You'll find a link to buy the phone in the video description at the best price on Amazon. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis, camera comparisons, and performance benchmarks of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, stay tuned.